class. Now it's time to practice speaking Haitian Creole. Let's practice a little. Now in the next lesson what we'll do, we'll go to the sounds, all the different sounds that you will find in the Haitian Creole. In the next 2 lessons, that's what we will do. But now let's go into this conversation. Konvèsasyon. Konvèsasyon. In this conversation, I'm going to read it with some real Haitian accent for you. Because I know now you start getting wet with the Creole, the Haitian Creole. Get your feet wet, that's what I mean. So now, let's go to that conversation. I'm going to read it as if I was talking to a Haitian, right? That's how I'm going to do it first. I'm going to read the conversation, and then after that, we'll go into it word by word. All right? Let's do this. Caroline, ça qu'a fait? M'pose, oui, Marie. Comment est? Bien, merci. Qui l'âge petit garçon là? Li gen 10 ans. Wow! Qui l'est li gen tan gen tout l'âge là? Wow! Qui l'est li gen tan gen tout l'âge là? C'est comme ça, oui, c'est. Qui l'âge premier petite fille là? Li gen 8 ans. Deuxième nan pral gen 6 ans. Belle bagay, ti moun yo fin grand. Word by word. Let's start with Mary. Marie. Marie commence la conversation. C'est Marie à Caline qui a parlé. Marie rencontre avec Caline. Mary met Caline. Marie Caline. Marie met Caline on the street. And then Marie asked her, Caline, ça qu'a fait? Caline, ça qu'a fait? And Caline answered, M'pose, oui, Marie. Comment oui? Now, when she asks ça qu'a fait, that means, what's up? What's going on? And Caline answered, now, m'pose, oui is something like, we don't really have the expression in English, but it's something that, I'm cool. I'm cool. Something like, I'm cool. Right? M'pose, oui, Marie. Comment est? I'm cool. How are you? And then Marie answered, Bien, merci. Qui l'âge petit garçon là? Bien, merci. Qui l'âge petit garçon là? I'm well. Thank you. How old is your son? And Caline answered, he is 10. Li gen 10 ans. He is 10. Li gen 10 ans. And Marie says, wow. Qui l'est li gen tan gen tout l'âge ça? Wow. Qui l'est li gen tan gen tout l'âge ça? That means, wow. He's growing fast. Wow, he's growing fast. Now that does not translate word by word. If I were to translate this word by word, I would say, wow, since when is he already 10? Something like that. He's going fast. That's what it is. Now, Caline answered, that's the way it is, my sister. C'est comme ça, oui, Sam. C'est comme ça, oui, Sam. That's the way it is, my sister. And she asked her, how old is your first daughter? How old is your first daughter? Qui l'âge premier petite fille là? Qui l'âge premier petite fille là? How old is your first daughter? And Marie answered, she is 8. The second one is about to be 6. The first one is 8. The second one is about to be 6. Caline says, that is nice. The kids are getting old. That is nice. The kids are getting old. Belle bagay. Ti moun yo fin gran moun. Belle bagay. Ti moun yo fin gran moun. That is nice. The kids are getting old. That is nice. The kids are getting old. All right, please keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. And then I'll see you in the next lesson, which will be lesson 5. Peace.